Welcome back to another video. So today we are going to display product in admin panel. So far we have complete add product.php, right? So we'll go in the admin folder, and here I'm going to create a new file. The file name will be display product php. Here I'm going to write HTML. Okay. So I will give here exclamation sign and press tab. It will actually create basic structure for me. I will go to the body section and I want to actually fetch the data and I want to show them into a table. So I will say here table. Okay. And then we have T head and T body. T body. In T head, we have, let's say, a column, sorry, a row, tr, and I need columns. I will say here th. So how many columns actually I need? So I will go to the localhost /php myadmin. So we'll go to the products table and go to the structure. So you can see we have ID. So actually I don't need ID. I need name. Okay, no problem actually, right? I can fetch all of them. I will say th 7 time. Let me just copy, paste 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. First one is ID. Okay, actually I want to fetch only name, description, price, stock, image, and category name. Okay, so I don't need ID here. I'll say name, description, say here title, product title. Okay, title, product description, price, stock, image, and then category name. And in the T body, we need one more column, that is TR, and here we have to mention TD. So I need 6 TD here. Okay, and I want to actually fetch all the data. So for now, actually, I'm going to say here P1, PD, 24, stock, let's say 12, image, let's say IMG, and then category name, let's say CTG. And okay, just for design purpose, I will go here and I will say style, and here I'll say that I want to actually give it a class. Okay, or maybe I don't need actually class here. I can mention like this table. And here I will say that I want a table width that will be 100%. I don't want border, so I will say border 1. I need TR, TH, TD, border. I need border bottom 2 pixel, solid blue. Only TH. I need border top also. Border bottom, okay. And in border top, let's say 2 pixel, 4 pixel, let's say 4 pixels, solid dark blue. Now I'll go to the local host / the project file. That is online shop. I need to log in. Here I don't need to log in first, so I'm going to design it. So I will go here, online shop slash admin, right? That slash the file name, there is display product.php, display product.php. Okay, so here you can see we have product title, description, and category name. Okay, so I forgot to mention here, give here comma, refresh. Okay, everything all right here, and you can see, and actually I can set the background color for TD and actually for the TD, right? So I can set background color. Let's say light blue. Okay, refresh. Okay, good, and everything is all right here. Now my design part is complete, and I will actually end the video here, and I will create one more video to actually fetch the data. Okay. Uh, so okay, one more thing. There is actually I want to give here two button, one for the update, one for the delete. So let's add it. So I will go here and I will add here th, and I will say action, and yeah, one more action field. So let's create one more action column, and here I want to say that okay, td anchor link, and here I'm going to say, let's say hash for now, and I want to say here update. Let me copy it, paste it here, and actually I want to give it class step, and here I want to give another class, there is delete, and I want to mention them here the style. So I will say update dot update, and I want to say background color, let's say update, right? So I can use here light green. For the delete, okay, I can actually remove here text decoration. I'll say none. I'll say padding of 10 pixel. Copy, paste. The delete, I need background color light red, light coral. Okay, now let's go and refresh. So we have update, we have delete button, and actually I want to add padding. Okay, so I will set padding, set pills. Nice. So we have here update, and actually I want to set text align. Okay, for the tr, th, and td, I will say text align. Text align should be center. And for the delete, I want to set here padding and light coral background color. So it's not actually taking the color. So here you can see I have to write here delete. Oh, it will actually take the color. Done. So if I click on here, it's also clickable, right? Okay. So my design part is complete. And now in the next video, actually, I will fetch the data from the database here, from this table. Okay. Okay. So see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.